Mabuhay, everyone! I'm Angela Fajardo.
And I am Miriam Cavite.
And I'm Sir Tim Ginto, and today we are going to conduct an experiment about how sunscreens protect us from the sun's heat using Globisens Labdisc.
Hi Angela, what is to bother you?
Hi, Angel. Well, me and my family are going to the beach this weekend. But there's something I'm worrying about.
Hey Angel! Hey Angelo, what's up?
Hi, Sir Tim.
Sir, Angela is worrying about something.
Tell me more about it, Angelo.
Sir, well, we're going to the beach this weekend. And I'm wondering which sunscreen should I use to protect me from heat.
Now that you mention it, I remember from our lesson that although the sun's UV light helps the body in producing vitamin D, and at the right level, too much exposure from the sun's UV light can cause skin damage such as sunburn.
That's right, Angel. That is why we are using sunscreens or sunblock.
But since heat can be another factor produced by the sun, though sunscreen also protect our body from heat.
That's an interesting question. I think it would be better if we go to the lab and to test those samples.
For this experiment, we need the following materials. First is 2 feet 3 by 5 inches index card, and with 2 pieces, 25% tabo size hole each, covered with thin plastic. Second is 3 pieces sunscreen with different SPF values.
We also need a light source and a Labdisc IR temperature sensor.
To start, let's refer our test card. Label the holes in the circles with control and SPF 35 on the first card, and SPF 50 and SPF 80 on the other card.
First, place the test card in front of you with the plastic side facing up. The circle labeled control should be kept clean. It will be used to measure the effect of the plastic wrap by itself. Starting with the circle labeled SPF 35, squeeze a very small amount of sunscreen on our finger. Then, spread the sunscreen thinly and evenly over the appropriate circle on the plastic wrap. Repeat the steps for all the remaining sunscreens.
We're now ready to gather data.
So hold the index cards in between the Labdisc IR temperature sensor and the light source. Start gathering data by pressing the running man button. Make sure that the control part is the one that is exposed first.
Repeat the process for the other remaining samples.
Let's now discuss the results gathered by the Labdisc.
As we compare the three sunscreen with different SPF, there is a significant difference in the temperature gathered among that sunscreen and the control.
So you mean, whatever sunscreen I use doesn't really matter?
I think so, since the higher the SPF does not mean the higher the UV protection, but rather the longer its protection is.
So are you ready on your outing, Jello?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Angel, and thank you, Sir Tim, for the help.
No problem.
See you guys again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye!